Do you know this? Like this onions peel, the back of onions. Yes. Here you see this thing, this particular onions peel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what you will use this to treat. I know so many of you will be like, what is she up to this time around? It's going to surprise you. Do you know that you can use this onions peel to treat cough, like cough, okwara? You can use this onion peel to treat it. Yes, I know so many of us have been wasting it. We used to remove it each time we want to cook. We just trash it away as a waste. We don't know that this thing also have its health benefits. See, one thing we don't understand is that everything that God created, everything on earth have its own benefits. Yes, before God created anything, he know that yes, this is what we, the human that he created, this is what we are going to benefit from it. It's just like for us to get that knowledge of that thing that we can use it to do. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can use this thing to treat cough. Yes, if you have cough, like serious cough, there's this type of cough, even if you take medicine, the thing will just be doing you like say the thing will not be serious and it will not go, to just be disturbing you, stressing you. My dear, get your onions pure. Just get a fresh onions like this, wash it very well. Then after washing it, you remove the back of the onions. Only the back is what you need. Just get enough of it. Then after removing the back, you are going to soak it for 3 good days. Yes, soak it for 3 days. This thing that you are seeing now, you are going to soak it for 3 days. Then after soaking it for 3 good days, you are going to be drinking it in the morning before you eat anything. In the morning before you eat anything. Then in the night after eating your breakfast. Just do this within 5 days. That cough will just disappear. Are you surprised? Yes, with onions peel. These onions that we they use cook, you this onions peel that we dey trash anyhow, my dear, it treats cough like magic. Then if you want a fast result, let's say the cough have been disturbing you and you want immediate result, just get your onions peel. Then when you get this onions peel, enough of it, you get your ginger. Just remove the back. Get your garlic, cut them into pieces. Then after cutting it into pieces, you are going to boil it together with this onions peel. Just put it inside pot, put a small quantity of water, um and then boil them together. After boiling it, then you start drinking it 1 glass in the morning before eating anything, then another glass in the night after your night food. Just do this for immediate result. But if you just want to take only the onions peel, then soak it for 3 days before you drink it, you are going to see like a perfect result. It's going to give you a perfect result. Just give this a try and you're going to testify. Please, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. In this channel, we share spiritual tips that will help us in our spiritual life. So if you love what we do here, why not subscribe? Subscribe to this channel, and please do me a favor by sharing this video, because you don't know who this video might help. Someone might be in need of this video and you will be the one to pass it across to the person. Okay, do me a favor by sharing this video, and remember to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be among the first people that will get notified. And I hope to see you in my another video.